Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll talk about how you can write your first program in Python. First of all, open Visual Studio Code. Now, if you haven't set up Visual Studio Code, please watch my previous video where I talked about how you can install Visual Studio Code and set it up with Python and Anaconda. Once you've opened Visual Studio Code, go to File and go to Open Folder. Now please select the folder where you want to save your code. I will select new folder here, this one, and click select folder. Now you can see that the folder has been selected. Now click this and it will ask you to write the name of the file. Now most of the programmers go with the file called name. And you also have to write p.y, which is the extension for Python. Click enter and you can see that the file has been created. Now here we will write the first program in Python, which is print, and you have to write in quotes, and I'll say enter your name. Now I've written my first code. Now to run a code in Visual Studio Code, all you have to do is you have to click this button and it will run the code. You can see that your code has been printed here. Now in order to save your file, all you have to do is click File and you can click Save and it will save. Another thing you can do here is you can click Auto Save and your code will auto-save as you write. So that's it for today. If you face any issues, please write in the comment section and I'll respond to your comments. In the next video, I'll talk about the next steps of programming in Python. Please subscribe to my channel for further updates. Have a good day.